How to change password on Zoho Mail. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today in this video we are going to be learning how you can easily change your password on the Zoho Mail account. To change your password on Zoho, you cannot do it inside the Zoho Mail app, so you need to go ahead and log it in using a web browser. Open a web browser on your computer or your mobile device and type in www.zoho.com in the URL box. Once you do that, you'll end up in the official website for Zoho Mail. From here, make sure that you are logged into your account, and once you are in, go to the top right corner and tap on your profile icon. Now, click on My Account from the pop-up menu, and then you'll be taken to this profile section. From your profile section, go ahead and tap on the hamburger menu at the top left, and from the expanded menu, click on Security. Inside Security, tap on Password and then click on Change Password on the next page. Now enter your current password for your Zoho Mail account in the first field. If you don't remember the password, you can also tap on the Forgot Password link and reset your password from there as well. After typing down your password, go to the next field and enter a new password you want to change to. After typing down the new password, click on the next box and enter the new password once again. Finally, after typing down your password, click on the Change Password button at the bottom of the screen, and soon after you do that, you will be able to change your Zoho Mail account's password. Just make sure to enter a strong password and then you will be good to go. So that's it. You successfully leveled up your account's security and changed your password for Zoho Mail. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.